Okay, good evening, sorry, good morning, everyone. Yes, good morning, Sujit. Yes, we are getting started. I can see good number of people joined. And as I said, we are starting our classes with MySQL, correct? And we are supposed to start MySQL today. So a little bit of introduction and we'll get into installation part. Okay. Good morning, Riaz. I can see Riaz, you're new, correct? You didn't join the previous two sessions, if I'm not wrong. Isn't it, Riaz? Uh, okay. Siddharth Majumdar joined before, I guess. Hi, Siddharth. Ashavari is also there from the beginning only. So maybe Amar, Riaz. I think you two guys are new people. What about Mahesh? Mahesh, have you attended previous session? At least have you gone through the recording, Mahesh? The demo session? Am I audible?
Yeah, it's audible, madam.
Okay, so no worries, Mahesh, and even whosoever attended, didn't attended previous session. It's all about your demo, like data analysis. What is data analysis? Go for it. They didn't share the first recording, Siddharth. I'll check with the admin team. Okay. So this is what the thing we learned in starting 2 days. Second day is mostly like clearing students' doubts. So you guys didn't miss any content so far, but today we are starting up with our SQL. Today we are starting up with our SQL. A little bit of introduction is given, and we will be also setting up a installation into your system, and then we will be going and starting practicals from tomorrow. Okay, so and today and tomorrow would be a free session, and day after tomorrow would be your paid session, and most of them have wanted timings 10:30. So we are starting up from tomorrow 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, I mean not tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Once your free sessions are over, once you're getting into paid link, the classes will begin from 10:30 to 11:30 every day.
Madam,
Okay.
how many months, madam, course duration?
Almost within 2.5 months, we will be completing entire the course duration, starting from today.
Hmm.
Okay? Yeah. So shall we start, or new joinees? Any doubts before I start? New joinees, any doubts you wanted to tell before I start, or shall we start?
Madam, I have one doubt, madam.
Hi, Riaz, tell me.
Yeah, I have seen another course regarding this one, madam, data analyst at today 6 p.m. I think. That one under 45 days is there, madam, course duration.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that one maybe 1 month.
We are providing modules like MySQL, Advanced Excel,
Yeah,
Power BI, Python. This much content can't be covered in 45 days, right?
okay.
So,
No, no.
if you go there, I don't know, you might miss some subject, but because you should have some subject, that is why we are taking 2.5 months.
Okay. Yeah, Ishwari ma'am, I think they will conduct.
Uh-huh, Ishwari Mama. Yes, I know her. Maybe it depends upon trainer to trainer interest, but my subject is little bit vast.
Yeah,
I'm not trying to say other subjects are not good. Everyone have their own way to teach. So for me, it will definitely take 2.5 months. Definitely. Sometimes it might go another 5 to 10 days prolonged also before only I'm
yeah,
saying, but there is no compromise in quality of subject, because if you guys are coming as a date, you guys are paying for data analysis and you wanted to become a data analyst. So to become a data analyst, you guys really need lot of subject. So to cover that much subject, and it's a daily 1 hour only class, 40 to 45 days are not good enough for me,
yeah.
at least. Yeah, for me at least. I'm not talking about others, guys. Okay, clear? Riaz?
Yeah, clear, madam.
Previously, I used to take so many months, but nowadays people wanted to be wrap up so soon. So a little bit like precise, short and precise I kept, and it is 2.5 months. And whatever I teach you here in 2.5 months, definitely the same thing you're going to get it in your real time. Of course, something can be out of subject what I teach. I will also give the referential links, like maybe YouTube links, and maybe the subject what you have to learn. Not subject, but the more examples. For example, if I talk about one subject or one scenario, I'm giving you two examples in the classroom and one example for homework. Let's say you have to do 5 or 10 examples on your side using some YouTube link or Google link, something like that. Okay, fine. Shall we get started, Riaz?
Yeah, okay, madam.
So regarding the recordings, I will be talking. Can you suggest book for PL 300? Definitely, I will be suggesting you a Savary once you guys join. Okay, definitely we'll go and I'll suggest you. Okay, all inputs are given once you guys join in the middle of class. I'll be suggesting. Okay, how to clear your exam also. I'll be suggesting you, and that's a very good thing to start because that certification is valid in the market. Okay. Fine. Now let's get started, guys. Maybe end of this session, I'll give again some 5 or 10 minutes time to clear your doubts. Tomorrow also you have time to clear your doubts. So at least we'll start the session today. Okay. Okay. So what are we discussing? What we are going to start? We are going to start with MySQL. Correct? MySQL. So you guys should understand what is MySQL. So, MySQL, it is a tool or product belongs to Oracle company, belongs to Oracle company where we write SQL, SQL. SQL means a language, a programming language inside this tool. So we can call this MySQL as a client software, or we can say it is a tool or a product where we write SQL inside this tool. Okay, means in after we install it, we are going to use this. We are going to use this product. Okay, that is about MySQL. And now, what is SQL? SQL is nothing but structured SQL is nothing but structured query language. Structured query language. We call it as a programming language. We call it as a programming language. Now, very much clearly, I'll say, like how do we speak English, Telugu, Hindi? This is one of the computer's language that is known as structured query language. Um, Example, we write syntax here. We just write, I'll just show you one syntax how we write. We say select star from table, any table or table name. I'm saying students. So this is how the language look like or the syntax look like. So if you master this SQL using a tool called MySQL, in future you can also go and learn by your own, maybe Oracle, Fox Pro, MS SQL Server. All these things you can go ahead and learn by yourself. All these things you can go and learn by yourself. Why am I saying the syntax, whatever you write here, it is same in other things, but there would be a minute changes. Like there is a say, people will say, if you know Hindi, it's easy to learn Punjabi, Gujarati, and some other languages which is similar to Hindi, right? So the key point, you should know Hindi. Now here the key point, if you know SQL with MySQL, you can learn other tools also. If you know SQL with any tool, that is good enough for the business to hire you. And how important SQL plays in a IT role is in, let it be your SQL developer, Tableau developer, Power BI developer, data analyst, business analyst, 50% of interview questions would be 50% of interview questions would be based on SQL, based on SQL. So that much important is SQL. That is why we freshly started with SQL. That is why we freshly started with SQL. So there are few key points I'll be going to tell you today, and its architecture and all. So let us explore, let us talk little bit more technical points. Maybe you'll not understand what is database, like this we will be talking. So next point is, what is database? Okay, again, a database is a what you call a technical point. So in IT sector, in entire data analysis, if something is technical, full-fledged, is known as MySQL. Because in Power BI tool, and even in Excel, whatever we are learning, it's a combination of non-technical plus technical. Now you can ask me, ma'am, what is this technical? Means anything we are writing using some procedures, functions, formulas, DAX, syntax, all this is known as technical. Or anything we are learning the feature of Excel or Power BI. For example, in Power BI, you go and click here. That is not a technical. You drag and drop this picture. That is not a technical. But you write DAX there. You're trying to get a solution to it. It's a technical. So the most technical part of this course is MySQL. Okay, the most technical part of this course is MySQL. Now let's understand what is a database. Database is basically known as collection of organized information. Organized information. Okay, so it is a collection of organized information and also stored, where it is very easy, it is where data is very easily accessible, where data is very easily accessible, manageable, or updated, whatever you say, these things are there. So database is nothing but it's a place where it will collect the required or organized information and store, where it is very easy to access the data, where it is easy to access the data. So simple definition, if I have to say, you can note down, please maintain your running notes. I'm not writing here, I'm just telling. It is a place where to store and manage your data in a structured manner, so that you can easily add. Okay, I'll put key points here. You can easily add data, retrieve data, update data, even delete data. So all these things can be done where in your database. Where in your database. Am I clear so far? Clear? Getting my point, everyone? Any doubts? Asawari said yes. Others also can say yes, no. Amar, Gopi Sri, Mahesh, Sunil, Vikas, Sujit, Siddharth. Everyone is clear? Okay, I'm getting text saying yes. Good. Then after this, you have your next point. I wanted to talk about records. Records is also a technical term. So they don't say rows. So what is a records? Records rows are known as records. So guys, we know right rows. First of all, one thing I wanted to tell you in the demo session I have already explained, we are going to deal with a table, a data which is enclosed in the form of a table is known as structured data, and we are going to deal with only this structured data. We are going to deal with only the structured data. So if something is getting stored in this format, then only we are going to deal with it. Now, among them, what is a record? Record is nothing but this rows. So, which is in like this horizontal manner. This is known as a record. This is known as a record. And this is known as a column. Now, in SQL, we call columns as a attributes. What do we call? We call it as a attributes. So columns are known as attributes. Columns are known as attributes. Tomorrow I can say how many attributes are there in your table. Then you should count the columns. How many records are there? You should count the records. You should not, because these are basic, but it can be an interview question. So columns are not only called as attributes, they are also called as fields. It has two names. It has two names. It has two names. Okay, fine. So this is a basic. Now, let me explain you about RDBMS. Next topic is RDBMS. We all understood what is database. Let's first understand about DBMS and then RDBMS. So what is the full form of DBMS? Let me clear this. So initially it was DBMS. Initially it was DBMS, which is known as, again it is a software. Okay, a DBMS is a software where you can store, manage and retrieve data. So the full form of DBMS is database management systems. So initially there are four types of databases, four types of DBMS. Among them, we are going to use only one DBMS, that is known as RDBMS. That is known as RDBMS. What is RDBMS? RDBMS is nothing but Relational Database Management System. Relational Database Management System. Okay, guys, we are not going to deal with this four DBMS, which might be called as hierarchical DBMS, network DBMS. You can just Google and check what it is. We are only going to deal with RDBMS. The full form of RDBMS is a Relational Database Management System. Why we have switched from DBMS to RDBMS? Because R is nothing but a relation. Relation means it can be worked on table based. It can be worked on table based. For example, in as I said, we are going to deal as per RDBMS rules. We are going to deal only with tables. Okay, so let's understand you have some three tables here. We have some three tables here. Having connection between these tables. Having connection these tables. Can you see this line? This is nothing but relation. This is nothing but relation. You're trying to relate from one table to another table is known as your relation, and that exists in your RDBMS, which is known as Relational Database Management System. Currently, we are working on this. Any doubts so far? on this technical points, any doubts? No doubts, everyone? So everyone said no doubts. Very good. Okay, now little bit of I'll talk about little bit more about SQL for today. It's already 30 minutes over, and then we'll get into installation. So I believe all of them are joining. So that is why even we are starting up with installation. Okay. So that we set up happily everything in your system, and then um let's complete the installation, and then we can do practicals from tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as and when how the time is there. Okay. So let me talk about a hierarchy of SQL, how the backend would be there. Okay. In a backend, just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Okay, fine. Now let's understand. We are going to deal with database in backend, how it will be there. Okay. So w- we are going to download two things. One is your MySQL workbench, and another one is your command line, that is known as your client software. And we are going to send data. Let me draw a picture and I'll explain you. This is your DBMS, and this is your hard drive. This is your hard drive. And let's imagine this is you. Okay. Guys, one question. We have a, we are working with laptops, right? We are working with laptops, right? Laptops and systems. System doesn't understand our language, and we doesn't understand our system's language also. So whatever we save or whatever we retrieve, it will get stored where in our systems? Where it will get stored? Storage, where it will get stored? Hmm? Yes, no idea. Okay, what is hard disk? Hard disk or hard drive? What it is? Storage. What is hard disk? Storage of the system. Can we say it is a brain's memory card which will store all the documents or applications, let it be videos, databases into the system? Can we see? We have heard about it. In the same way, SQL will be also having a hard disk here. Okay. Whatever we write queries and whatever we do, it will go and save where it will go and save into our hard disk. It will go and save where it will go and save into our hard disk. Now, between you and hard disk in a system, normal system, there is one mediator, because you can't understand the language of Hard disk can't understand the inputs of whatever you say. There is some system in between that is known as basically in laptop or system we call that as a OS. What is OS? Operating system. Operating system acts as a mediator between us and hard disk. This is general laptop I'm talking about. Coming to MySQL also, there is a mediator between hard disk and we, that is nothing but which is known as your DBMS. DBMS will act like a DBMS will act like a what? Mediator between DBMS acts like a mediator between, let me write this clearly, between us and hard drive in order to make work very easily. It is a operating system or a mediator. So you are going to write your queries where inside this client software. Inside this client software. What is this client software? The client software is nothing but here we call it as two things. One is your workbench. Okay, one is your workbench, SQL workbench, and command line. That is what we are going to learn. One is your SQL workbench and command line. This both things is a place where this is what we are going to install. We are going to write queries here. So we are known as a user. We are known as a user. Whenever we wanted to write SQL, we write onto the screen. From here, it has to save it to the hard drive, or it has to send queries to hard drive or retrieve data even from hard drive. So who is going to act like a mediator? DBMS is going to act like a mediator, and this DBMS and hard drive together is known as your database. Let me remove this. This is just for example. This both together is known as database, DB. Database, DBMS and hard drive together is known as your DB. So I'll explain one more time. We are going to use a screen called client software called MySQL Workbench and command line. Please note down in your running notes. And we are going to write queries here. This queries will go to hard drive with the help of DBMS, and whenever we want to fetch the output for our sake, even when you write a query, it will go to hard disk and it will get output onto this screen, and then we can prepare a report and give this output to the business. Okay, so what we will be writing here on the screen, we are going to write what? SQL queries. We are going to write what? SQL queries. SQL language we are going to write. We are going to write SQL language. But this is a tool. We can call it as a MySQL tool, and inside it we are going to write SQL language, and this will go to your hard disk with the help of DBMS, which is acting like your mediator, and it is gonna get output for your requirement. So this is a small kind of a architecture what happens in your backend. Am I clear? Any doubts? In any doubts? Amar, Sujit, Siddharth, Sunil, Vikas,
No,
Asavari.
no.
No doubts for Sheshu Kumari, Mahesh, Riaz. Good. So this is a basic intro of today. And in tomorrow's session, we will be talking about uh, commands, SQL commands, like your DDL commands, DML commands, DQL commands, TCL commands. Inside that commands, what we do, we read or write, or how do we manipulate entire thing commands. Tomorrow I'm going to give you free session. And now 30 minutes, let us go and install workbench and command line, because as we have explained this, please, I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Go ahead and note down these points and be ready with your laptop. Start sharing your screen. We will be going and installing it right away. Okay. After SQL, I'll be going with Power BI. Asawari, you got disconnected. Sorry to hear. Okay, can I know, Asawari, from where you have disconnected? From where should I explain you? Yes, Asawari. Which part you wanted to explain you? Entire architecture? Figure which I have drawn. It means entire thing. Okay, in short, I will tell it one more time. So this is the architecture of SQL, and I explain in backend what does happens. Here we are a users. We go and write queries in this client software. This client software is known as your MySQL workbench or command line. Whatever the queries we write here, it is supposed to go to your hard disk. As we cannot understand the language of hard disk, and even hard disk will not understand our language, that is why there is a mediator in between, which is known as DBMS, which acts like a operating system between between us and hard drive. Whatever queries we write, it will go through DBMS and get saved in hard drive. Whenever we wanted to fetch any output, we can write a query, it will come from hard drive to us. That's how it will play together. And this DBMS and hard drive, both of them putting together, is known as your database. We already learned here database, DBMS, right? Now you will get a clear picture of it. In place of DBMS, we can call it as a RDBMS now, because lately it got replaced. And this is about a figure. Oh, yes. I just said in a short. As Savary, did you understood? Yes. You got it. Okay, most welcome. Fine. Who wanted to share screen now? Let me stop sharing my screen. I'm clearing off this. Let me stop sharing and I'll give you access. Go ahead and day before yesterday only I said installation will be done today. Anyone can go and share. Go ahead, Siddharth. I will make install in your system. And everyone, we have somewhere 10 students today, 10 to 10 students. So please focus on one screen, second screen. If you are having ability, you can do it by your own, or else please wait. I'm having a lot of patience. I can go one after the other also. I have no problem. But let's not get failed in doing installation. We have to do it in one go. Okay, because if something goes wrong, we have to uninstall and do it once again. So let's not get into that. Okay. Okay, Siddharth, please share your screen. Sharing your screen. Good. Okay. So listen to me. I will even annotate your screen. Um, can you click on your plus symbol?
Yes, yes, yes.
I mean, go to your Chrome or go to your Edge. Yes. Now you write, say MySQL download for Windows. Okay. Click on the first one. I'm annotating. Not this one. Go back. Go back. What did I said? MySQL download for Windows. Can you type that way? No, no. My Go to your search button, MySQL download for Windows. Give a space right for Windows. enter. Go to the first one now. Perfect. Click on the second download. Now say no thanks, just start my download. So let's wait. It's getting downloaded, everyone.
Uh,
Download is completed.
yes.
What happened? Why this security warning? Can you cancel this? Cancel it. Can you go to the downloads one more time? Can you say open? Don't click on the link. Say open. You're not opening it. You're clicking on the link.
Okay.
Double click on it. Open is there, right? No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. I'll annotate for you. I'll annotate for you. This one. This is open. Huh. Yes. Now go and click on this one. This one, this one. Not on a link. This one. Yeah, perfect. Double click on it. Say run. Okay. Say run. Why it's coming? Okay, let's wait. You have already downloaded before, anytime.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sometime.
say next. You have to remember password in that case. Let's see. Click on next. You downloaded many things. Select projects to upgrade. Okay. You select only MySQL server and workbench. Uncheck all of them. Keep it to.
That's all.
Yeah, click on see. You have already did, that is the problem. Can you click on MySQL server first? Not on a click, just not there. In the middle. Okay, wait. Wait. Can you click here? And can you use control and click here whether it is coming? Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Click on workbench first. Click on workbench first. Workbench. No, no, no. That is fine. Let it be. Click on workbench. Huh. Now say next. Okay. Execute. I hope you have to remember password. You know the password?
I
Siddharth?
I remember, I guess. Let me see now.
Okay, fine. If not, we have to uninstall it very properly and then do it again.
I did a month ago just by checking the YouTube link.
Mm-hmm. No problem. Or the thing is, coming to SQL, especially SQL, you should remember password. Click next. 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 No, 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 that's fine. Next. Execute. Finish. Next. Finish. It didn't ask you password. Okay, 1 second. That's fine. You just minimize this as of now. Minimize it. Don't do it anything. Go search MySQL Workbench in your search box. Yes, MySQL Workbench. Open the first one.
One.
First one. MySQL Workbench 8.0 CE. First one, correct. Local instance. Double click on it.
This one.
Yes. Good. You have it. It didn't ask you password.
Yeah.
You got it. Okay. Yours is done. But what about command line? Can you also search MySQL command line? Even if it is not there, that's fine. But let's see if you have it or not. Go to your search box. MySQL. MySQL command line. See, you have that too. Can you click on this?
This one.
Yes. So we are going to work on this. Double click on it. It's done, right? Give the password. What you remember?
Password.
Yes, you have to.
Uh,
Such a big password. You remember? That's good. It's working for you. Okay, yours is done, Siddharth. You're good to go from tomorrow. Fine.
okay. Like, but for others, like, yeah, please ask others understood or not.
Okay, others is going to do from the beginning. I'm gonna help them. You can stop sharing. Who
Okay.
wanted to share next? Yes, Sunil. Hi. Share your screen. Okay, not this one. Go take new tab and say my one second. One thing I wanted to do. Let me share the link so that you guys, everyone, click on that link and from then I can help you out. Just let me share the link. One second. Just a minute, Sunil. Okay, everyone, open this link and be ready. Okay, Sunil, open this one, whatever I have sent you just now in the Zoom chat. Just say no thanks, start my download. Just start my download. Yes. Have you clicked on it? Double click. The download is happening now. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I try on my PC?
Asabari, what it is?
Can I try the same on my PC also?
Just do what the Kasaveri. You just click on do tags, let it get downloaded and keep it. From there,
Okay.
I will help you, Asaveri, because it's very much difficult for you to do. Don't
Okay.
do it on your own. Just download and keep it. After 2 to 3 screens is done, maybe you guys will memorize it. Or
Okay.
else I will help you out, guys. That's fine. Even we go slow, let's not do any mistake, okay? Yeah,
Okay.
just download and keep it. Next, I'll take your screen, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Done. Can you? It looks like it's not done yet, right? Now it's done. Can you open the file? Have you did it? Mhm. Wait for it. Any pop-up is coming, which I can't see. I can see only please wait while window configure MySQL installer. That is only there, right?
Yes, madam.
Oh, okay, so then let's wait.
Hi, Sravanthi. Shall I do the server only or client only? Which one? Or full?
What it is, Seshu?
Which one to choose? Server only, client only, or yeah, full?
No, don't do anything, okay? Just download and keep it, Seshu Kumari. Don't do it anything because we didn't even started with one installation process. Siddharth was different, so just wait, guys. Don't do it anything. Just download and keep it. I will make the
Downloading, this is
installations in
what
your
it is
system.
asking me.
Sorry?
When I'm downloading, this is what I got.
Okay, you are also sharing screen. 1 second. Just wait. From here, I'll take up. Just wait. Don't do it anything, okay?
Got
Let us complete Sunil's and I'll come back to yours. Sunil, where is your installation? I cannot see anything, Sunil. Can I get remote control? No, don't have to do that. Can I get remote control?
Remote control. Pro, madam. Confirm.
Yeah, confirmed. Right. Oh, you didn't downloaded SQL at? Sunil, are you using different users or what? Suddenly your screen is getting changed.
Yes, madam.
Your history also getting changed. What it is? Just before we have different history and now we have different history. Okay, 1 second. I believe you did till installation. What happened all of this sudden? Sunil, are you
Madam?
there?
Yeah, yes, madam.
Where is the I cannot see it in downloads also.
Yes, madam.
Why like
I
that?
I think downloads.
No, I cannot see. See, there is no downloads. It is not showing. How come? Okay, fine. Let me do it from the
Okay.
beginning.
Okay.
I'll do it for you. Wait. I believe you did all these steps, but okay. fine. So guys, first is download. After that, the installation will come. This is getting in NSUNY and downloads. That is why I'm not able to see. In SSD, okay, you have downloaded, you have created SSD in your separately, I guess. So that is why it is getting saved here. That is why I was not able to see. That's fine. It's very slow.
Madam, no problem. Can you share me recorded video?
No, Sunil.
I'll, yeah,
We can do it tomorrow. Okay, your system is slow, right? Let it come. We
yes,
can do
madam.
it tomorrow for you. Okay, at least
Okay.
one person I'll do. I think someone completed download, right? Please go ahead and share your screen, guys. Tomorrow I'll
Okay.
help you out. You don't do it anything by yourself, Sunil. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
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 No problem.
Thank you.
Yes, stop sharing and others who just did is this some Seishu or Asabari, right? Someone, please go ahead and share your screen. Anyone, I'll assist your screen. One person download will complete at least. So see, guys, Asabari is sharing her screen. You didn't downloaded it. Okay, open it. Seishu, I'll come to your screen after some time. Just give me some time.
Yeah.
Once as avaris is done. Okay. To your both we will do it might go up to 12:10, 12:15. That's fine. After that, we will be winding up for the day. And others I can do it tomorrow. Like that slowly we can complete, not in a one day without wasting time. Okay. Yeah. Where it is, Hasavari, your installation one? No, not this. Open, yes, open it. It is preparing to install. Say cancel. Yes. Perfect. Now the installation process will be started. Everyone, please look at the screen, but I request not to do by your own until unless you guys are pretty confident, okay? Or wait for tomorrow, I'll help you out because something goes wrong, it's very difficult to reset up it, okay? Yeah, click on custom. Next, click on this plus symbol, MySQL server. One more time, one more time. Select this green button. Applications once, plus symbol, workbench, plus symbol for workbench. One more time. Selected this green arrow. Next. These are the two client softwares we are going to work. Execute. Execute. Oh. Let's wait. Sunil, you can stop sharing your screen, Sunil. Next. 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 Use legacy authentication method. Next. Give password as I say in small letters admin. Everyone have to do this. In small letters admin. Repeat password. Next. 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 Execute. Finish. Next. Finish. Okay, you're done. Now double click on this local instance. Double click on local instance. Save password in vault. Give password as admin ADMIN. Click OK. So this would be your workbench. We are going to work from tomorrow. Okay. Now go to your search button. Search with MySQL command line, your system search button. Minimize it. Or you can close it. Search button. Yeah. MySQL command line. Yeah. No, no, no. One step back. One step back. I have seen it. Go back. Can you see MySQL 8.0 command line client? Yes. Double click on it. Give admin as password. Come to this black screen. Give admin as password. Enter. Yes. That's all, guys. This is how we will be doing. You guys can see Asawari's last 10 minutes recording for installation. But if you're not pretty confident, trust me, don't go for it. And password, you give it as an admin only. Okay. One more screen shall I take? Seshu, you wanted to do now or tomorrow? Seshu Kumari. She's not there, I guess.
Hello, madam. Hello.
Yes, Riyas, tell me.
Can I share, madam?
Any one screen is good because it's
Yeah,
already
okay,
2
okay, fine.
o'clock, right? So Seshu already shared. So maybe tomorrow I'll be taking first thing yours only.
Sure, madam.
I think one more installation will well versed with the installation part with the others also. Because
I
with the
didn't I didn't understood you, Siddharth.
I'm telling you can take one more installation.
No, no, no. Tomorrow I'll do. We'll go step by step. Not in a hurry. Okay. Tomorrow I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Click on next. Click on next. Initially, we are supposed to go slow only. You still have warning with your selected parts. Are you sure you want to continue? Okay. Say yes. Execute. Welcome, Asaveri. Yes, guys, tomorrow we'll take or remaining. Don't worry, everyone, because you guys are still eligible for tomorrow class also. But again, I wanted you guys to rejoin sessions from day after tomorrow. We would be taking 10:30 to 11:30. Okay, fine. And the link will be changed from day after tomorrow. Showing 83%, right? Let us wait, it will come. Okay. Oh, it's still showing 99%, right? So it might take another minute time. Let's wait. Seshu Kumari. Yeah, next. Use legacy authentication. Next. Oh, you already did this before. Do you remember the password?
No,
Do you remember the password?
no, I don't.
You don't remember, then it will not come. So this is a problem, guys. That's why I will ask not to do it before. So this is not gonna come if you don't remember the password. If you remember password and you say check, we can go further steps. If you don't remember, it will not come. That is the problem. That's why I will ask people not to do it. Okay. So the second thing, say Ishu Kumari, if it is not coming with the password, whatever you're doing, you
I
uninstall
installed
it
like
properly,
couple of
all
years
the
back, and
drives.
then I uninstalled it.
You uninstall it everywhere. Your voice is low, Seshu Kumari.
I installed it like couple of years back, not
Huh.
recently.
Even a decade also SQL will remember. That is the problem. No problem. you today go and uninstall it everything properly. Go to your check each and every drive wherever you see MySQL everywhere you properly uninstall it. Tomorrow we will be doing a reinstallation. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Still, you're not able to uninstall properly, not in the class, but after you join this session, that is day after tomorrow, I'll personally connect with you and I'll uninstall for you because sometimes it is complex. We don't know where the drive will be saved. We have to check each and every folder, and you are supposed to uninstall properly. Check YouTube, Google, wherever these drives are getting saved, uninstall it properly. Okay. Fine, that's all for the day. Others I'll take tomorrow, don't worry. Because it's lack of time. Tomorrow I will try to install it, and tomorrow we will be going with SQL commands. 13 minutes of SQL commands, and a remaining of an hour, same like today, we will be going with the installation. After that, we will be continuing our session with the practicals from day after tomorrow at 10:30. Okay. So all the best, everyone. Have a great day. Bye. Anything else? Shall we wind up then, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.